Hello viewer. Thank you for watching today's video. Let's check out how to draw a cable bridge. We have used watercolors of ivory black, vermilion hue, viridian hue, fluorescent orange, carmine, Chinese white, lemon yellow. Materials used: a 4 medium texture sheet, 0.5 mm technical pen. A cable-stayed bridge is a bridge that has one or more towers, cables directly supporting the bridge deck. These bridges are made by materials like steel rope, concrete box girders, and steel. These bridges first found by two German designers who were working independently. One was built at Sweden and another at Germany. These bridges became a popular choice as they offer all the advantages of a suspension bridge, but at a lesser cost for spans of 500 to 2,800 feet. And it require less steel cable, are faster to build. The world's longest cable-stayed bridge is built in RUSSKY Bridge in Vladivostok, which has a central span of 1,104 meters, and, in India, longest bridge is located in Gujarat. If you find it informative, do let us know by hitting on like button. Please do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on bell icon for instant updates. We would love to hear your thoughts in the below comment section. Share it with your circle. This would really encourage us to do more. Thank you. Take care.